Hello students, this is a little tutorial to show you how you are going to make your model of DNA using the Google Slides here. So when you open up the slides, you'll see you have all the pieces of your nucleotides on the left side and right side, and you can move these pieces into the center area to make your model. You can decide whatever order you want to put your bases in, A, G, T, C, or whatever you want to do. But you do have to use all 4 of them. And at the very minimum, this needs to be 5 bases long. And then you will also need to construct the other side of the DNA. So let me show you how you are going to put this model together. And there are little dots and stars and little figures to help you see where the pieces go together. So to start off, I'll use A. And on the opposite side, what should pair up with it is thymine, T. And I want these to actually fit together nicely. So for you to rotate this piece, all you have to do is right-click on it, go to Format Options, and then down here, sorry, maybe it looks like this, it says Size and Rotation, so click on there. And then down here, you can rotate that piece. So I'm gonna click on it once, twice, so now it's flipped upside down. And then I'm going to move my piece so that it's matched up really nicely there. And then your bases go in the center of your picture. If you want to move more than one piece at a time, if you click on one, hold the Control button on your keyboard, and then click on the other, notice that both of these pieces are like linked together. So now you can move both of them together instead of moving each piece individually. So now I want to add my sugar. To pair this up correctly, notice there's a little circle right here, and you want to match it up with the circle right there on the adenine. So I'm going to try my best to match it up there. Okay, I'll move it a little bit. And then there's a star at the top here. That is where your phosphate is going to go. So I will attach my phosphate right there. Okay, so now I have part of my nucleotide done, and then you would do the same thing to the other side. So same deal as last time, you're going to want to flip this upside down so that it's actually attached correctly. So same thing, right click, Format Options, go to Size and Rotation, and then rotate, and that's good, it's upside down. So then I'm gonna move it so it's kind of matched up nicely. And then I want to add my phosphate group. For this one, I don't think I really need to flip upside down because it's the same either way, but maybe just because there's a dot. So let's go ahead and flip that too. Okay, so there's my phosphate group. And now I have 1 base pair done, and now just 4 more to go. If you want to do more than 4, you are welcome to, but 5 total is your minimum. So try to switch up the order. You can use the second slide if you need to. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, a remind, or a message through Google Classroom.